Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 114th of mathematics, and in this lecture we will not only conclude this exercise but also the chapter as well. This is the final session of this chapter, and this is the final opportunity with you people to understand and clear your concept. So let's get started. We are going to do question number 6. The question number 6 is saying the figure shows a solid cylinder of diameter 24 centimeter, which is the large one, and height 32 centimeter. A cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter and height 14 centimeter is removed from the original cylinder, which is in red. The dimensions are also given. So the first part, they are saying find the volume of the remaining solid. So it is easy if you understand the question. First we have to find the uh, area of the larger solid, which is in white, and R is in this case is 12 square and H is 32, and then we have to subtract pi and 5 square and 14, which is the red one. So after finding the first part, we will get 4608 pi, and the second one is 350 pi. When we subtract both these values from each other, we will get 4258 pi, and then we will get 13,400 centimeter cube, and that will be the answer. The second part is saying find the area that will be covered in paint. So in this part we will only have to find the area of the outer shape. In the this part we have to find area that well covered in paint. The area that will cover in paint, and that will be equal to 2 pi into 12 into 32, because 2 pi RH is the surface area of the cylinder, and here 2 pi into 5 into 14, that is the smaller one, and because there are two base areas, so we have to write pi and r square, which is 12 square. That is, one is this one and one is this one. These are the two circular areas, base areas. So we have to calculate these things. From the first part we will get 768 pi plus 140 pi plus 288 pi, and when we add all these values we will get 100 we will get 1196 pi. After inserting the value, we will get the value of pi, we will get 3700 n centimeter square. The figure is given and the dimensions is also given. The dimensions are written in the question. There is a hole in the form of cylindrical uh, shape of diameter 30, and there is a prism. Dimensions are written directly. I am going to find the volume. So in the first part we have to find the volume of solid, and that will be equal to 1 over 2 into 40 plus 88 into 70, and that is area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. This is the area of this portion. So we are getting this one plus then multiplied by 25, which is the height. 25, and that is the height, and we have to subtract pi r square, which is 15 square, into 2 point into 25. So this is that hole in the blue color. We have to subtract this one as well. From the first part we will get 112,000 minus 5,625 pi, and then we will get the final answer is 94,300 centimeter cube. From the second part we have to find the total surface area, and that will be equal to 74 plus 40 plus 74 plus 88, and then multiplied by 25 plus 1 over 25 1 over 2, but we, because there are two surfaces, so we will get this 2 1 over 2 into 40 plus 88 multiplied by 70 minus pi r square, and that is 15 of that whole. So after this we have to add 2 pi into 15 plus 25, and as a result we will get 16,800. I already calculated that, so I am writing 16,800. Question number 8 is the final question, and that is the advanced one. There is a C-shaped solid with an internal radius of 6 centimeter and a uniform thickness of 1.5 centimeter, has a height of 8 centimeters. So we have to find the volume, and in this case volume will be equal to half of the cylinder. So here we are having pi and 6 plus 1.5 square minus pi into 6 square into 8, which is the height, and that is 8. So when we calculate it, we will get 4 into 56.25 pi minus 36 pi, and that will be 81 pi. Uh, and when we insert the value of 81 is 3.1415, so we will get 254 centimeter cube. The second part is saying that, let us write this second part because we have the area. So here we are going to find the total surface area. Total surface area, and that will be equal to 2 into 1 over half into pi 7.5 square minus pi into 6 square, and then we have to subtract, we have to add 1 over 2 into, this is 1 over 2 into 2 pi into 7.5 into 8, and when we calculate all these value, which is simple one, so we will get 427 centimeter square. With this we came to the end of this chapter. Next topic is the statistic, very important topic as far as mathematics is concerned, so don't miss. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.